I mean, once actually, somebody was trying to explain what benching was to us.
And now we have more gray areas because there's more words and phrases to define certain things.
How is love different for the two generations? Because while technology has changed a couple of things, the approach towards love has also largely changed.
I don't know about that. See, for me, I feel love is a very primal emotion. It's always. I think we all feel it the same way, regardless of age, culture, language, generation. I feel the language around it has changed, but I don't think much more has changed. I mean, once actually, somebody was trying to explain what benching was to us, and
I still don't know.
no. Somebody's trying to
What's
explain
benching?
what benching was to us, and Ashutosh Rana ji was there, and he was like, "अरे, वो तो हमारे ज़माने में हम लोग स्टेफनी बोलते थे." Same है. स्टेफनी बोलते थे हम लोग.
What about you, Kush?
Yeah, I mean, I think love has been the same across all generations and the feeling hasn't changed. But I guess I would say the terminology has changed and the way of communication has changed. I think maybe before things were a bit more black and white, and now we have more gray areas because there's more words and phrases to define certain things. And I think that's maybe what's made the water a bit murky. But I think at the end of it, everyone has felt love and everyone still feels love. But maybe there's just some more in between stages to get to it.
And the process, your process when you approach a film or a character, how is that different from, say, again, an earlier generation? Also, you guys have both learnt acting, which many of the actors, I don't think your parents, for example, ever did.
I mean, to be fair, my mom didn't need to because she started at 4. So I don't think you can go to acting school at 3 years old.
But learning on the job, and man, what a way to learn.
Yeah, no. I mean, I think like Dad did spend a lot of time at FTI doing diploma films. So he didn't go to acting school per se, but I think he learned largely on the job. I think I had the privilege of being able to go to theatre school and spend a redonkulous amount of my parents' money on an American theatre education. It is a huge privilege, especially for a career that has no financial upside on the horizon. I think, but I think different actors also do approach things differently. I think we, as actors, have as we work and as we learn, we develop tools that that come to our aid when we need them, I guess. So, I mean, directors also work differently, and I think that's also a great learning experience. You get to learn new things when you work with new directors. So yeah, I think. But I think a lot of it is, again, just language. Like a lot of things, if you have talked to Dad about it, he'll have done something, but we just call it different things.
And I think sometimes things are just instinctual. I remember while shooting Nadanya, every single day, we'd end the day and they'd be like, okay, we have enough time to do a sad song cut. So you just have to go there and cry. So then I'd be like, okay, and this is an everyday thing. So we came up with a routine of, okay, now the day is over, sad song cut time, Khushi has to go cry. And they'd keep a speaker next to me and Be Dardiya would start blasting and suddenly I'd just start weeping and then I'd just start crying. So that was my crying process for that film. But for Navyapa, I didn't do this.
You can cry that easily on camera?
Be Dardiya is a very emotional song.
No, also Khushi is really good at crying. Huh?
I remember
Yeah.
Jani saying something very similar as well.
Yeah, she's
I
damn
really
good at
like
it.
crying. It's really weird.
Really, really good at it. It's like
No.
uncanny.
It's like, it's so weird to say, but I have a lot of fun doing crying scenes. It's really strange. And during shoot for Lavyapa also, we had this really funny instance. there's one scene that's not really emotional, but it's a little emotional. And basically, the camera's on me, it's a close up, and I'm looking, and then I start welling up a little bit, and I'm like, okay, maybe I can push it a little bit. Maybe I'll make a tear fall. So one tear fell. And then I'm like feeling it. I'm like, okay, like I'm in the scene, I'm going to do something emotional. One more tear starts falling. Then I'm weeping. Eventually, I'm streaming. Tears are streaming down my face. Advait is looking at me. Wow, wow, wow. We'll do one more, more
whole
gliss,
set is
tears, more.
clapping.
Everyone's clapping. It's like, so emotional. Clapping. We'll do 2-3 more takes. And then the next day, I go up to Advait and I was like, so do you think I cried too much for this scene? Like, I don't think I was meant to cry this much. And he's like, yeah, I think we got a bit carried away. And then they had to cut the whole thing out. And they took the first take where I didn't have any tears on my face. So we basically just got very excited with the tears. And then none of it ended up in the film.
But at that point, I'm sure crying is not just a physical activity. It must take something from inside
No,
you.
you have to actually cry.
Yeah,
You
so
can't
how do you
just fake crying.
patch yourself back up after something
It
so
honestly
exhausting?
feels very relieving. After you're done with it, you feel like, like you've let it out. And obviously, you can't keep doing it. I think I do the best in my first 2 takes. And then after that, you kind of exhaust your tears. And then you have to come to terms with it and hope they got it on camera. Imagine if I do all that and it's like out of focus or something. Then I'd cry more.
We'll open it to the audience now. Can we have the mics here?
For Junaid, similarly, if you were to star in Dil Chahta Hai, who would you cast?
You know, I wouldn't want to do Dil Chahta Hai. No, I think it's a great film that I don't think making it again with me would add any value to it.
Hi Khushi, hi Junaid. Before I ask my question, I just want to tell you you're looking so gorgeous. And my question is for Khushi. Like, we have seen all the fun-loving sides of you and Janvi on the internet. But I want to know what do Khushi and Janvi usually fight over and why?
Clothes. We always fight over clothes. But actually, it's become less than it was before. When we were younger, we'd really fight over clothes. And I remember there was one point I took her top and then I was in my room and I locked my door because she wanted to wear that top and I didn't let her take it. And we'd just really fight over clothes. But now I think because we're old, we like sharing our things more. So we've gotten over that.
Okay, thank you so much. That answers my questions.
Can we have the mic here?
खुशी सुशील मेरा नाम है। एक एक्साइटिंग न्यूज़ आपके लिए। लगभग 21-22 साल पहले आपकी मामा से हमारा परिवार मिला था। तो बेटा तुषार जो 10 साल का था उसने उनका ऑटोग्राफ लिया था। तो मैं भी दिखाऊंगा मैं आपको, मैं लेकर आया हूँ उसको। थैंक यू।